Siva Rajkumar, born Nagaraju Siva Puttaswamy, 12 July 1962, is an Indian actor, film producer and television presenter who predominantly works in Kannada cinema. In a career spanning over 3 decades, he has worked in over 125 films in Kannada and has received several awards including 4 Karnataka State Film Awards, 4 Filmfare Awards South and 6 South Indian International Movie Awards. Born Nagaraju Siva Puttaswamy, 12 July 1962, age 6 to 63, Madras State, India. Alma mater, The New College, Chennai. MGR Government Film and Television Training Institute. Occupations: actor, film producer, television presenter, playback singer. Years active 1968 to present. Works: full list. Parents: Dr. Rajkumar, Parvatama Rajkumar. Siva Rajkumar, affectionately called Sivanna, is the eldest son of legendary Kannada actor Dr. Rajkumar. He debuted as a lead actor with Anand 1986, followed by 2 more hits that earned him the title Hat-trick Hero. Over the years, he has become one of Kannada cinema's biggest stars through landmark films such as Om, Janmada Jodi, AK-47, Jogi and Tagaru, winning multiple state and Filmfare Awards. He has also worked in television and appeared in Telugu and Tamil films, further expanding his celebrated career. Siva Rajkumar was born in Madras, now Chennai, Tamil Nadu, to actor Rajkumar and film producer Parvatama. As the first of 5 children, his 2 brothers are Raghavendra, a film producer, and actor Puneeth Rajkumar. He did his schooling in T. Nagar, Chennai, and then studied at the New College, Chennai. Siva Rajkumar joined an acting school in Chennai after completing his graduation from Madras University in 1983. After training in Kuchipudi dance form under Vimpati Chinni Satyam in Chennai during his college days, he made his entry into the Kannada film industry with Anand. Siva Rajkumar has served as a brand ambassador for Royal Challengers Bangalore IPL campaign and for Nandini Milk Products. He initially opposed dubbed film in Kannada cinema but later accepted the Supreme Court's decision, allowing them, stating that audience preference would prevail. He has largely avoided remakes throughout his career and has also spoken out against the practice of inflating box office collections and artificially boosting theatre attendance. Siva Rajkumar is one of Kannada cinema's most decorated actors, having won 4 Karnataka State Film Awards and 4 Filmfare Awards for Best Actor, along with numerous other honors. He is also known for his charitable work and support for social causes. His accolades including the NTR National Award, the Kohinoor of South India Honor and Honorary Doctorate, and several SIMA Awards, recognizing both his performances and his contributions to society.